Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about braiding technique. Watch this video to the end and see how I make this back of fish hairstyle for my clients. The good thing about this style is it's glueless, totally glueless. This is how I make the glueless chuku. I make sure I place the cap on a client's head. This time around I didn't do it on a dumb head. I did it on a client's head after taking measurement of her head. I make sure the cap is the same size of her head. This way it will make it glueless. One thing about glueless is make sure the cap is same thing to the client's head. It make it glueless. When you watch the end of this video, you can see how I put the cap on my head without gluing it, and it stay. Nothing will fall it down from your head. So this is how we're doing it with my girls, helping me in order to keep the cap firm on her head. The hairstyle was so beautiful and it's very firm on her head. This is glueless. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like and drop your comment about this back of fish shuku braid. Back of fish shuku braid looks so beautiful and glueless. And the end of this video, share this video to your loved ones and let them know that back of fish is a beautiful hairstyle to do when you are making a braided wig. Thanks for always watching my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.